The effort that is undertaken here is nothing but an effort to awaken ourselves. And the very word to awaken ourselves meaning there is more to us than what we are currently conscious of. And this awakening happens through living, not through the absence of it. So we are asking through living, am I participating in my awakening? The greatest joy is one is awake to oneself at the highest form possible. We are not directly transforming the world, but we live the understanding, in my awakeness, the world is transformed. This sight is missing for most. So we are looking at ourselves, we are paying attention. What is awakening as us? And this does not happen automatically, it needs our participation because one can block it out. Your life issues are nothing but the failure to participate in the awakening of you. Your life's joy is because you awoke to something. You wake up to something as you, not just outside of you. You wake up to something as you. So in this you are central. So you are paying attention to you. You are not giving yourself out to an idea, an ideology. You are staying with you. You know you are precious. You know in the awakening of you so much is hidden. So we are paying attention to our awakening. As an introduction to this, I have put down 15 meditation that is recommended to do in the morning. For those who choose, you may use this as a way to participate. It will be a little inspiration, a little insight in the morning to begin this journey of participating in the awakening of you and know in your awakening the future of humanity is held.